Hi there, good afternoon everybody. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their symptoms such as IBS, bloating, and any associated issues, hormone problems, etc. etc. And I do this with testing usually, and then dietary and lifestyle upgrades to really nicely bring things back into balance for you and get things ticking over nicely. So I was going to talk today a little bit about magnesium because it's a super important mineral. It's really important you get plenty of it. Unfortunately, if you've got gut problems, there can be issues with absorbing it properly, as there is with lots of other minerals and nutrients, etc. So if you are suffering with your gut, then listen in and I can give you a few hints and tips about how you can increase magnesium in your diet and also get, if necessary, some supplementation going on as well. So as I say, if you've got issues with your digestion, then your absorption, sadly, is going to be a little bit wonky sometimes, so you're not going to be absorbing the nutrients that you need properly. And then magnesium works together with other minerals as well, so works closely with calcium when it comes to bone health, and it works with potassium to keep your nerves functioning properly, and also it keeps your muscles functioning properly as well, and regulates blood sugar levels. Magnesium is important for digestion, very important for digestion, because along with potassium it gets that nice kind of peristaltic action going on and gets everything pushed through your digestive system nicely. So it's not causing any problems for you. Because of this, then magnesium is a really good supplement to take if you are prone to constipation, but I'll come more to that in just a second. So typically anyway, diet-wise, the typical modern diet is usually very low in magnesium compared to what it has been in the past. So convenience foods will contain a lot of trans fats and additives and very few nutrients in general, so not enough that you need, so there's not going to be enough magnesium in there either normally. They're also, it cause acidity in the body, so they're not great for you in general. Also, if you've got, as I say, poor digestive health on top of that, then you're going to be not absorbing these nutrients properly, so then you're entering into this vicious cycle situation probably, which isn't really ideal. If you're low in magnesium, also you may not be absorbing vitamin C properly, or calcium or potassium properly, so that can have a knock-on effect too. It can then impact your immune system and all these other vital processes as well. So what are the signs then? These are some signs to look out for to see whether you could possibly be magnesium deficient. Constipation is a big one. Muscle weaknesses, spasms, poor appetite, difficulty sleeping, so difficulty getting to sleep and then staying asleep once you are asleep, high blood pressure, feeling very nervous, anxious, edgy, and also depression as well. So those are a few signs to look out for. If you do suspect that magnesium might be an issue for you, luckily it's very rich in lots of foods. So here are the foods that you can focus on adding to your diet. So pumpkin seeds, definitely dark green leafy vegetables. My favourite, dark chocolate. You want at least 70% cacao, so proper chocolate, not sugary chocolate. Quinoa is very rich in magnesium. Avocados are another fantastic source. Fish of all kinds, oily and white, are very good, very high in magnesium. And nuts such as almonds and cashews as well. Another really good way to get your magnesium on board is with magnesium baths as well. So you get a double whammy because you're absorbing some of the magnesium, which is making you feel nice and relaxed, and you've got the relaxation you get from having a warm bath anyway, so that can make you feel really very chilled out. And that's a good one to do if you've got a real kind of stressful situation going on. That's a nice kind of habit to get into doing that. Just get the big bags of Epsom salts and then just use them quite liberally. If you don't have a bath, use foot bath. They work just as well. And you still get that nice kind of relaxing, pampering thing going on there. So different types of magnesium. There are many different types. So for magnesium baths, you want Epsom salts. So that's magnesium sulfate, and you can find it in the great big bags. They sell it everywhere now, supermarkets and everything. Magnesium glycinate is what you would normally find in supplements, a very easily absorbed form. Magnesium citrate is what you're looking for if you tend towards constipation, and magnesium malate, which is great for muscle aches, pains and energy levels. Okay, so when you're looking at the label of your magnesium supplement, make sure it's the right one for your needs. Okay, so I hope you find that helpful. If you would like to speak to me, I will put a link to my diary below, so just put yourself into my diary. There's also links to freebies down there, so recipes, online programs, etc. So do download those as well if you're interested, and like and share if you found this useful. Okay, bye.